Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi and I hope you are doing well. Today I will start this pattern and this is a reverse rectangle triangle pattern and in this pattern alphabets are repeated in a column wise, means is in each columns alphabets are repeated in a constantly way. So we used nested for loop to understand this pattern. Firstly we create outer for loop and in this outer for loop we take 5 as lower limit, 0 as upper limit and -1 as the step value, and inside this outer for loop we create inner for loop and in this inner for loop we take 0 as lower limit and I as upper limit, and in this and inside this inner for loop we print the variable j because this is a column wise pattern. So when we have a column wise pattern we always print the inner loop variable, that is j plus 65 because the sky value of capital A is 65, and typecast the variable into character type because we want to print the alphabets instead of numbers. And outside this inner for loop we used empty print function for cursor to the next line. When completing each row cursor will move to the next line, so when you run this program there is no error and the accurate output is shown as below. So I hope you understand and have a great fun. Like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and thank you for watching. And if you have any concern or question regarding this pattern you can text me in the comment section, and have a great day and move ahead.
I know one